Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a Zoom video, and I have said in the recent past that this stock has indeed moved very sharp, and probably there is a correction or consolidation on the way, and it seems that rather than a correction, it has taken the route of consolidation in the short term period. So we are going to discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let's say, so we have the data here from August, so August 10th or 11th. So from there till September 23rd, so in a span of 40 days or 42 days to be precise, it moved by 130%, which indeed is phenomenal that you can double your money in a span of a month. Okay, keeping your excluding your taxes and other stuffs. Now what you can see here with this trend, after this up move happened, so you can check out the range. Okay, what you can do, you can simply check out this range what we have here. Okay, now what has happened that the stock is, so there is the first thing which you need to understand is this level. Okay, so the stock moves on the right hand side of this trend line. So what it does indicate that it will definitely spend some time into the consolidation zone unless it breaks on the higher side as well as on the lower side. Now with this, what one can see here, so let me move to a slightly longer term time frame. Yes, okay, so with this, what's probably going to happen, okay, what's probably going to happen that unless the stock breaks below 460 or moves above 530 or 532, okay, it will stay inside this range. So one should make his or her mind that it will probably consolidate for maybe couple of more days or couple of more weeks. We don't know, because we have a very sharp uprise. If you are looking at a weekly chart, so it's a phenomenal rise specifically for this script, this particular stock. So you must understand that this is the level where the stock will definitely take some time to consolidate and retrace a bit, so that it will decide its further course of action. Now what you can do, so there is further bifurcation inside this range as well. So it is up to you whether you want to play end to end or whether you want to play in between also. So you have your big range at or support at 460 and big resistance at 532, but in between you have 475 as well as your next support, and your upcoming resistance will be 509. So there are the two big supports are 475 and 460, and first target or resistance 509 and 532. So these are the levels what you need to look at. Now unless the stock moves above 532, it there is not going to be a new trend. Okay, so let the stock consolidate first, and if it breaks below 1460, then obviously for the time being we will definitely exit the trend, because we will see how the price settle in the near future in case of a breakdown. But in case of an uptrend, what we are going to do, okay, if in case of a trend, what we are going to do, we will simply calculate the length of this uh, consolidation, and once the breakout happened beyond the level, then we can expect the same amount of return. So if the stock moves and sustain above 532, 533 and sustain over there, then what we could see will be a target in between 610 to 620 odd dollars, probably in the weeks as well as in the months to come. So do not just simply think that if the stock moves 500, 600, 1000% in couple of months, and it will be it goes into a short term consolidation and again the same thing will happen. So that depends upon market situation as well as the stock and the valuation or the market positioning of the stock. Okay, so it depends. So understand your risk, know your support and resistance level. In case of breakdown, I have already told you. In case of breakout, I have given you the levels, okay, where it could probably move. But think, decide and take decisions accordingly. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.